Morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for the day. I was just experimenting with the stars in the background, they look so fascinating. I've taken a break for a couple of days. I think last reading I did was on 5th September, and today is 9th September. The last reading was about just be yourself. I think I took being yourself a little too seriously, literally, and for a longer time. No, not only that, my body literally needed a little bit of time to restore. My ear was affected a little bit, and I just needed to completely take downtime to get better. Let's start your reading for the day. I am recovering. I am much better. My hearing is still a little less, but I'm getting better. So that's amazing because I had a swollen ear and I wonder how that happened. Though I did a lot of inner work, my meditations, my healing, and I am recovering. So yay. Right. So do let me know how this background works. Is it a distraction or you kind of like it? Because I really wanted to do something new and different and experiment with the stars today. I'm not sure how it looks, but what the heck, it's worth trying, right? So let's see what have I chosen today. I have chosen, like I said, I was just recovering for last couple of days and therefore I had taken a break. So I decided to pick a deck of angel therapy because I needed to ask the angels, is there anything I need to know? And also, is there anything that all of us need to know for today, right? Hi Ravi, so good to see you early morning online. I was quite fresh, so I decided to do an early reading. So this is how the back cover looks like of the card. And I've asked the angel therapy, what would you like to tell us just for today via the oracle cards, a message from the universe, right? What would you like to tell us today? Wow. So more than what? Amazing card. Amazing. It's Archangel Michael who's come today. What a beautiful card. I have a story to share with you about Archangel Michael in the last 4 days when I was recovering. But let me read what's written here right now. Just for today, invoke Archangel Michael because you're working closely with this powerful Archangel who's protecting and guiding you through this situation. In fact, a lot of people who understand angels, if you by default ask them, who's your favorite angel or archangel, the first word that would come from their mouth is, oh, I love Archangel Michael. So archangels are much larger and powerful beings than our personal guardian angels. If you ever experience them, they are close to 5, 6 and 7 feet and above. Archangel Michael, whose name means he who is like God, works beautifully if right now you are considering any change in your career, you are fearful about something. He helps you snip the cords, he helps you shield very beautifully. Any kind of protection with your gadgets, with your devices, with your life purpose, with your mind, Archangel Michael is a guy for you. You know, he's an all-purpose archangel, very beautiful to call upon him. So for today you can say, you know, Archangel Michael, I call upon you now with your powerful energy. Shield me, protect me, guide me, and please cut any cords of negativity that's draining my vitality away, or just release any toxicity that is not letting me lead towards my life path. So if you're going through any changes or today you want to make an impact, remember to call upon Archangel Michael. His energy or aura is beautiful, cobalt blue, like really nice, powerful royal blue or purple. Some people experience him with blues and golden lights. It doesn't matter, let it be your personal experience, but remember to invoke Archangel Michael. What's again interesting is this card came, and while after my last reading in like couple of hours, I was completely down. And so the entire night I was sitting and I have this habit of working a lot with my dreams. So I did a dream incubation where I asked the universe, where is the block and what do I need to do? And very interestingly, at 4 a.m. I woke up next morning and the message that I got in my dream was, and interestingly, the dream was that I'm with a very close friend who's pulling out the oracle cards, and the card is of Archangel Michael who's saying, Shilpa, you forgot to shield yourself. You know, So I'm not surprised that Archangel Michael has been working with me for last 4 days, reminding me, because I'm working with a lot of people who are unwell and I do mediumship, and I think somewhere for a day I do recall I did forget to shield myself, and Archangel Michael said you forgot to shield yourself. So go ahead. And how do we shield ourselves? Okay, it's very, very easy. Before you enter into a situation or when you wake up in the morning, I think that's what I forgot that day because I was in a rush. Just take few deep breaths, sit down quietly, call upon Archangel Michael on whichever side or in front of you. Say, Archangel Michael, I call upon you now and I ask you to shield me with your purple cloak. And then imagine, visualize or feel that Archangel Michael is totally pouring his beautiful light into every cell of your body, from top of your head down to your toes, and then forming a beautiful cocoon around you, literally around your body, into your aura. And just an affirmation that, or the belief that Archangel Michael is shielding you. The belief is that you are now clear and protected, or I am now clear and protected. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for shielding me. You can extend it to your loved ones. You can take a lot of steps forward with it. We will talk about it. But for today, your message is invoke Archangel Michael because he is working with you, and I'm not surprised he's coming today. But if you are thinking of making any huge decisions or even small movements, for today, call upon Archangel Michael. I'm adding on, shield yourself. And yeah, I've experimented with the stars and this background. I'm kind of keen to know how does it feel for you when I talk like this, okay? So I want to really, really know. But with this, I'm going to sign off for today. I am recovering. I'm much better. And I'm hoping to come tomorrow again in the morning to offer the readings. All right? Goodbye, everyone. Shabba khair.